Can carrying a balance on your credit card improve your credit score? That's a common question, and it's also a myth. Welcome to the world of credit card misunderstandings and misconceptions. Today, we're going to debunk some of the most prevalent myths and replace them with facts, so you can make the most out of your plastic pal, the credit card. Myth number 1. Carrying a balance on your credit card improves your credit score. In reality, carrying a balance on your credit card doesn't directly improve your credit score. What matters is your credit utilization rate, which is the proportion of your credit limit you're using. Keep it under 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Myth number 2. You only need to pay the minimum balance each month. While paying the minimum balance keeps your account in good standing, it's not an effective way to manage credit card debt. Interest accrues on the remaining balance, which can lead to increasing debt. Myth number 3. Credit cards will lead you into debt. It's not the credit cards that lead people into debt, but how they're used. With responsible usage and proper budgeting, a credit card can be a useful financial tool. Myth number 4. You shouldn't own more than one credit card. In fact, having more than one credit card can be beneficial, especially if the cards offer different types of rewards. It can also improve your credit score by increasing your overall credit limit, reducing your credit utilization rate. Myth number 5. Credit card rewards aren't worth it. Credit card rewards can actually be quite valuable if used wisely. From cash back to travel miles, these rewards can save you money on your everyday expenses and big-ticket purchases. To summarize, credit cards are not the villain they are often made out to be. Used responsibly, they offer flexibility, convenience, and even rewards. They do not directly improve your credit score by carrying a balance, and paying only the minimum balance each month can lead to unnecessary debt. Owning more than one credit card can be beneficial, and the rewards offered by credit cards can be valuable. It's all about understanding how to use them effectively and responsibly. So there you have it. 5 credit card myths debunked. Remember, the key to managing your credit is understanding how it works. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can also be the key to a healthier financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.